In addition to Rodney Strong wanting to keep their top quality wine producing capabilities, they wanted to have a very energy efficient operation. And so what we decided to do was to apply our knowledge of what we do in the pump business to that wine industry and our abilities in the overall food processing industry.
So in the wine industry, pump overs happen all the time. And when the heat starts rising, the skins and the grapes rise to the top. Wetting the caps, keep the temperature at the same level. The heat rises to the cap, all the skins rise to the cap, so we have to manage that cap. And the way we do it, we take the pump and we pump from the bottom of the tank and spray the top of the cap.
So when you're making wine and you're going through that fermentation and you're running it through a pump over, you can get skins and seeds that suck through the pump. That can be a problem if you're using a centrifugal pump and it's grinding up the skins and the seeds, which is releasing bitter tannin into the wine. When you're using a diaphragm pump or an air pump, it's much gentler on the process, and so if you get skins and seeds sucking through that pump, they're not damaged, and so you get a softer wine in the end product.
The challenge was to be able to use their original air supply that could do 9 dedicated pumps pumping over at the same time.
We sent my cellar master and some of our maintenance people down to Wilden's facility to see the process, the manufacturing process, and to see the energy efficiency and the flow output compared to the competitors.
They had a skid of different pumps, different manufacturers, including the Wilden that you see here. They showed us a comparison of how they perform at the same pressure and what flow, and lo and behold, these Wilden pumps were performing at the same flow, requiring less pressure, less air consumption. The Wilden air pumps that you see here maximizes that process so that we can be gentle on the fruit, it's gentle on the wine, and it's very efficient.
The only pump available that could do what we needed was the Wilden pump using the Double-Diaphragm, and the energy efficiencies that they gave us using much less air for a better flow was really the only solution.
The performance, the high quality of the parts, the way they assemble everything, and just the comparison versus the competition out there, I was very comfortable with the decision that we made to go with this Wilden pump, and we are very pleased with the result.
PSG, where innovation flows.